Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's May 8th, 2023. We're here to talk about AMD real quick to see if this is a good time to still get in and buy AMD. You guys can see it on my chart real quick that I'm expecting the price to go up in AMD. I'm just going to do a real quick video here because after earnings came in for AMD, right? Earnings came out on May the 1st, and you guys can see, or Tuesday, May the 2nd, that price fell off a cliff. But since the earnings release, look at the price action in AMD. The next day on May the 4th, the market in AMD ended the day up 6.11%. Okay, that's a massive indication right there for us to tell us that the overall environment in AMD is not weak. We even identified as long as AMD's price stays above 80 bucks, we're still looking for the market to go higher. So that is why you guys can see on May the 3rd, which is the arrow pointing up to, and then the next day the market ran back up. Now, it closed off of the highs. Like, take a look at this right here. The market in AMD on May the 4th closed off of the highs, meaning that sellers came in this space. That's what it means. But then the next day, May the 5th, the market in AMD still went higher. Amazing. That's it. I'm done. It tells me already that the overall market is still bullish and that the market participants, they're still expecting price to move up. That's it. Here it is on the 2-day chart. The prior 2 days right here, we saw a push to go down bar. See that? But then the next 2 days, we see a push to go up bar. It reversed course. If the market truly was weak in AMD, we would not be seeing a push to go up bar being generated, but it did. So this market is not really weak. The buyers came in at 80 bucks. Here it is on the 3-day. So in the next 8 hours and 44 minutes, look at that. Look at it. We have another push to go up bar on a 3-day time frame. We got weakness on the prior 3 days, but then we have a push to go up bar on a increasingly high amount of volume. Look at that. We haven't seen this much volume come in AMD since this last 3-day price bar push to go up on November the 10th, 2022. So it's been a couple of months since we've seen this much volume come in. That's it. I don't need anything else to convince me that the buyers are currently trying to move this market and that they're still in position trying to lift this price up in AMD. Take a look at this on the weekly time frame before I let you go. This is what I term a probable precursor of strength, meaning that in this upcoming trading week, we want to see the market in AMD come into our price target area, because if it does, then it tells us that the buyers definitely came in last week. Okay, here it is on the 2 weeks. Again, you see the market close at the high end of this 2-weekly price bar. Take a look at this on the 3 weeks, 5, and the monthly. So that is it. Give me your thoughts. I'm not going to change my price prediction. I do recommend you check out my last video for AMD on the 1st of May. That is when I did this video for this price prediction currently on the chart, and see the targets. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.